Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, sleek house set in a lush, green forest, characterized by expansive glass windows that offer a seamless view of the surrounding nature. The structure features a flat roof adorned with vibrant greenery and a cantilevered design, creating a floating effect above the ground. The scene is illuminated by warm, ambient lighting emanating from within, highlighting the cozy, inviting interior that merges luxury with nature. Surrounding the home are carefully arranged stones leading to a shallow stream, flanked by dense foliage and various plants. The color palette includes rich greens, earthy browns, and soft warm hues, evoking a serene, harmonious ambience. Modern architectural homes surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a flat roof adorned with vibrant plants and flowers. The house is built with large glass windows, allowing warm interior light to spill out into the evening twilight, creating a cozy ambience. The setting includes a tranquil outdoor pool reflecting the surrounding nature, with sleek gray stone tiles leading to plush lounge chairs. The garden is richly landscaped with native plants and soft grass, creating a harmonious blend of nature and architecture. A warm color palette of browns, greens, and soft golden light at dusk enhances the idyllic impressionist scene, emphasizing tranquility and connection to nature. A modern, eco-friendly house with sleek, curved concrete architecture, featuring a green roof adorned with various plants. The exterior showcases large glass walls that invite natural light, revealing a cozy interior with a neatly made bed, wooden accents, and minimalist design. Surrounding the house is a meticulously landscaped garden, with vibrant autumn foliage, decorative shrubs, and a serene rock garden path. The scene is illuminated by warm, inviting lighting, creating a harmonious blend between nature and contemporary living. The colors range from earthy grays and browns of the structure to the lush greens and warm yellows of the garden, evoking a tranquil, inviting atmosphere. Ultra-modern architectural house nestled in a dense tropical rainforest, hyperrealistic style. The structure features large glass windows illuminated with warm amber tones from inside, blending seamlessly with lush green foliage surrounding it. The design incorporates clean lines and minimalist elements, with a flat roof and cantilevered sections. A serene reflecting pool in the foreground mirrors the house, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere. Soft, diffused lighting creates a cozy ambience in the evening setting, with misty mountains visible in the background under a soft twilight sky. A modern, eco-friendly house with a brick facade, surrounded by lush greenery, showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and architecture. The scene features a spacious wooden deck adorned with vibrant flowers and diverse plants. The outdoor seating area includes a large, comfortable sofa with rich brown cushions and textured throws, complemented by a stylish, curved chair. The roof is covered with a verdant garden, emphasizing sustainable living. Sunlight filters through the foliage, casting gentle shadows, while the interior is visible through expansive glass panels, showcasing a warm, inviting space. The overall color palette combines earthy tones with lively greens, creating a serene and refreshing atmosphere. A modern, two-story house with a striking design, featuring large glass windows that create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The structure combines sleek black metal with warm wooden accents, surrounded by lush greenery and plants that cascade from the balconies, emphasizing a biophilic design. The exterior is set in a serene forest environment, bathed in soft, diffused natural light, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. The garden area, with a wooden patio and rustic stone pathways, complements the contemporary architecture, showcasing vibrant greens and earth tones. Modern architectural design featuring a contemporary house with vibrant orange exterior walls surrounded by lush greenery. The scene captures an inviting courtyard, where large glass windows reflect warm interior lighting against a backdrop of soft evening light. A wooden deck winds through meticulously arranged stones and plants, with a tranquil pond adding serenity to the space. The setting incorporates elements of nature and modernity, showcasing an impressionist aesthetic with rich greens, warm oranges, and hints of earthy tones. Modern architectural residence featuring large glass windows and a stone facade, set in a lush garden filled with vibrant greenery. The scene is depicted in a hyperrealistic style, capturing the warm golden light of a sunset that illuminates the home, creating reflections on the glass. The pathway is composed of natural stone slabs leading to the entrance, surrounded by diverse succulent plants and ornamental grasses, showcasing a blend of textures and colors. A modern greenhouse surrounded by lush greenery, showcasing a blend of sleek glass and black metal design. The scene features warm golden light streaming through the glass, illuminating vibrant tropical plants and flowers in rich reds and deep greens, creating an enchanting atmosphere. The setting is surrounded by dense foliage and palm trees, with a well-maintained pathway leading to the entrance of the greenhouse. The sky is a soft blue with scattered clouds, suggesting a serene, late-afternoon ambience. The overall aesthetic combines hyperrealism and a touch of impressionism, highlighting the vibrant colors and intricate details of both the greenhouse and the surrounding landscape. A modern greenhouse surrounded by lush greenery, showcasing a blend of sleek glass and black metal design. The scene features warm golden light streaming through the glass, illuminating vibrant tropical plants and flowers in rich reds and deep greens, creating an enchanting atmosphere. The setting is surrounded by dense foliage and palm trees, with a well-maintained pathway leading to the entrance of the greenhouse. The sky is a soft blue with scattered clouds, suggesting a serene, late-afternoon ambience. The overall aesthetic combines hyperrealism and a touch of impressionism, highlighting the vibrant colors and intricate details of both the greenhouse and the surrounding landscape.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.